So right there in the middle, that tower, that's Skytree. It's almost 30 kilometers from my house, and that is where I'm going tomorrow. So if you get off at Oshiage, you go right to Tokyo Skytree town. I'm at the bottom of Skytree. It opened in 2011 and it's 634 meters tall. And the reason it's 634 meters tall is because it is, in Japanese, the numbers 634 reads Musashi, which is very important. Musashi Province used to be in this area. Covered part of Tokyo and Saitama. I bought my tickets in advance. If you buy them in advance, you can save like 500 yen. So really recommend it. Also, there are student discounts. This is their mascot. Everything in Japan has to have a mascot. So let's go in. So you can buy tickets to the lower level or to both levels, and I have them for both levels. There's also machines here if you buy them on the day, but once again, it's quite expensive, but worth it one time. I got my ticket, and we're gonna go up to the observation deck here. It shows you how fast you're going. It says 600 meters per minute. Crazy fast. For those of you who are brave enough, there's a glass bottom floor that you can walk out and see to the street. I'm not sure if I'm brave enough for that or not. Tembo deck. And up higher is Tembo Gallery. So let's take a look around. Wow, it is quite impressive up here. Many people I know who've come here, they always just say that it's like Tokyo never ends. There's just one city and it runs into another place and it runs into another place, and it's all buildings. And if you look from here, that's what it looks like. You can get a ribbon out of a gacha gacha machine and you write your wish on it and then you tie it to this pole. And this is a Skytree wish. Even have a cafe up here. Okay, this is much cooler than I thought it would be. I've never been up here, but it's worth coming up. It's even though it's a bit expensive, it's still worth it. At one time on this level, there can be up to, well, between 1,000 and 2,000 people at one time. There's never been any accidents. Also, this is made, of course, because Tokyo is a city of earthquakes. It's built to withstand earthquakes. It has a concrete center in it, and it should withstand almost everything. The only problem they've had so far is snow has fallen off the top onto roofs and put holes in the roofs of buildings below, but it seems like they've got that worked out. Oh my god, that's scary. Whoa. Okay. Impressive but scary. Okay, now this is like almost the highest point you can get to. And let me tell you, I'm not feeling so safe up here. I'm a coward, okay? But you can walk around the whole thing. Yeah, it's cool. You gotta do this. You just gotta. It's a ramp. It goes up, so you're still going up. And it's a bit on the claustrophobic side up here. I'm not. It keeps going up and up and up. I think it said it's about 5 meters up without an airplane. I guess this is as close as you can get to flying. No place is complete without gotcha gotcha. Souvenirs, lots of science books, science experiments, some astronaut food. I think you can have ryokan, so even Japanese astronaut food. White chocolate strawberries, now those are delicious. Still going up. More on science. So on top of Skytree, you can learn all about space. Here we go again, down. Of course, no trip would be complete without your omiyage. We're going down a couple floors here by escalator. And on this floor down here, there is a glass floor you can walk out on and see to the street. If there was an emergency or something, you can walk down the steps. There's only 2,523 steps. So easy, right? Okay, so there's a glass bottom floor. I am going to attempt to walk out here, but maybe not. So yeah, I don't know if I can walk out here, but look, some people are crazy enough to walk on it and even jump on it. but not me. Yep, there's down right there, but I can't. I just can't. The guy who works here swears it's okay, and that there's a couple more layers of glass, so if this one were to break, there's another one to catch your fall, but I'm not so sure about that. See, he swears it's okay, but I don't think so. Okay? I got it. Yeah, this is no good. This is really bad. So if you're brave enough, yeah, you could do it, but I am a coward, so yeah, no. So that was so cool. I hope you guys enjoyed a bit of Skytree. And now I'm gonna go around the area. There's a lot to do here, so I'm gonna check out the rest. Until next time, mata ne!